guys, Miss Charlie here with another tutorial. I'm using a brand first time. This is Cnutbutrbeauty, where they base a lot of their color stories and things like that from video games. And I've seen a few of their previous palettes, but they didn't really speak to me. I've heard good things about them, but they came out with this collection which is with Persona 5 Royal. My sons are gamers. I play video games, but they're gamers, and this is one of their favorite video games. So I got it just because they like Persona, and this is again Persona 5 Royal. There's different ones, of course, and they had two palettes. The other one, I'll pop a picture of it here, didn't really match with that color story, so I went with this one. This is the Metaverse. And then I also got two of their multi-chrome eyeshadows. These are so nice, so creamy, so opaque. These, I might have to get the rest of them, but I got this one in Lord have mercy, Necronomicon, and then this one in Captain Kidd. And then the palette looks like this. I like these colors. I can do a lot with them. You can go cool, you can go neutral, you can go bold, you can do a lot of things with this. And I really like the look that I did. This color here, which is Casino of Jealousy, it's like a gold, but it does have a little bit of a green in it. You can't really tell, but it's got a little bit of a green in it. It is a little flaky. So when I did put it on, I used a base, but it is a little bit flaky, but it's really pretty, like just a neutral gold with a little green undertone. The mattes in here are beautiful. I used Museum of Vanity, Pyramid of Wrath, and a Prison of Regression, and I mixed these two together to blend out Prison of Regression. And this is a beautiful terracotta brown. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. It blended beautifully on the eye. I had no patchiness, no problems with it at all. Beautiful color. And I like neutrals. Even though I like color, I do like neutrals. And then of course I add a pop of color to it, which I ended up doing with the multi-chromes. And then I mix these two together. But what is this? Cruiser of Pride, is that what that is? I'm trying to read upside down. Cruiser of Pride is a pretty sparkly plum. And on camera it has like a blue, a little bit of a blue shift in there, but it's a grungy, sparkly plum purple, which I like. I might have to do a smoky eye with that, and also do a smoky eye. Let me wipe off my finger, make sure I get all of that off. With what is this one? Spaceport of Greed, which is a blue teal. It's got a little bit of teal in it, but yeah, you can see it's gorgeous. And it's really smooth when you swatch, but they can be a little chunky, so that's why I did use a base for this one. But those are stunning. And then this blue, this is a green based blue. I like a green based blue sometimes, but the green base goes with this. But I like a cool toned, a cool based blue. So when you blend this out, it's going to blend out with a green. But look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. See, when you blend it out, it's going to have green in it. I like both, but this one is more like it blends out to like a teal and not like a green, which would blend out this, and this would blend out together. So I'll be doing more looks with these, but just to show you some swatches. I also posted swatches online on my Instagram, and I will show you those pictures too. Did them a little bit fancier. And Game Beauty did like my pictures and also did share my picture on their Instagram, which I appreciate very much. I love it when brands share my photos. It just makes me feel so good. So thank you to Game Beauty. And then the Multichromes, this one, I'm going to go ahead and bring it down here so you can see it better. Captain Kidd shifts to like a green to a copper to a gold, a little bit, a cranberry, that's what I meant, cranberry, like an antique green. It's real pretty. It's what I have on my lips. I have it on my lips and I have it on my inner corner. And then Necronomicon is like a teal to a blue to a purple. And they're so creamy. They're so creamy and smooth. Try to get my finger in here with this nail. Look at that. And I have this color, I have this multi-chrome combination in my collection probably 6 or 7 times over. But you just, once you go multi-chrome, you just go nuts. So, and this one is very fiery. See that? Orange, cranberry. Oh my goodness. Oop. There we go. Oh, so smooth. You can see. Oh, so freaking pretty. Okay, so that was my first impressions of the Game Beauty X Persona 5 Royal collection. The things that I got from the collection, one of the palettes and 2 of the multi-chromes. Enjoying them so far. I enjoyed this look that I did. So I'm going to go ahead and take you over there so you can see how I created this look. And if you got anything from this collection, let me know. And maybe if they come out with something else, I might try them again. So if you have any of their previous palettes, let me know your thoughts as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll let you go ahead and see the tutorial.
Prior notice, God for you. We wanna make this party you don't wanna skip. Gonna be a show to remember. Take over, start to boogie down. Make over, nothing's gonna take away. My life was over when it started with that shoe that felt like walking. I'm getting things over. Reveal the truth up to the public. With your hands up, time to surrender. Take over, start to put it down. Make over, nothing's gonna fade away. My life was over when you started with that shoe that looked like walking. I say it's over. Dirty work. Your ego has driven you out of truth. You only play brand new game, serving you right. Say your prayers now. Take over, stop to put it down. Make over, nothing's gonna fit the way my life was over when you started with that shoot up white walk. I mean, I'm saying game's over. Take over, stop to put it down. Make over, nothing's gonna fit the way my life was over when you started with that shoot up white walk. I mean, I'm saying game's over. We're rolling deep into your underground grip. Though the center prior notice God for you. We wanna make this party you don't wanna skip. Gonna be a show to remember. Take over, stop the boogie down. Make over, nothing's gonna fit the way my life was over when it started with that shoot up of white walking. I'm getting game's over. We're rolling deep into your underground grip. Though the center prior notice God for you. We wanna make this party you don't wanna skip. Gonna be a show to remember.